managing finances here as a student, just surviving on part-time jobs is really difficult here in the UK. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 tips that can eventually help you. 3 hacks, because I've given a lot of tips earlier as well. 3 hacks that can eventually help you get a lot of cash back from all your expenditure. So let's get started. Number 1, I will suggest that stay away from the university, but make a monthly commute pass, whether it is for your bus or for your train, because this is going to help you a lot in terms of your finances in the long run. Now, usually what happens is all the universities near to your uni are going to be on a higher edge. So basically competing for the distance, compete for the money. That is, try to save as much as possible by staying far from the university. But one thing that is really popular here in the UK and most of us don't follow, or we don't know even, is that getting a weekly, or rather getting a monthly or yearly pass is way cheaper than your daily commute pass. So get a yearly pass, and with if you are a student, then on that yearly pass as well, you are going to get huge discounts. So get a yearly or a monthly pass to save on your commute, and definitely stay away from the university to save those extra bucks on your accommodation. Tip number 2, or hack number 2, would be loyalty cards. No matter where you go here in the UK, they have a very good system called as the loyalty cards. Whether you go to Boots, or you go to Tesco's, or you go to Lidl, or anywhere, you have these cards. Do take the card and do become a member. Membership is free of cost, and indeed on every expenditure, if you scan these cards or these barcodes, you are going to get points. And at the end, if you accumulate a lot of points here, you can eventually shop your items for the points that you have accumulated. And this is what I really did recently. That is, I had around, I literally shopped around 50 pounds of cosmetics from Boots, and I didn't have to use even a penny. It all got I could get it all with my with my points accumulated. So this is one of the best way to save money as a student here in the UK. That is loyalty cards and memberships. On number 3, it would be cards like Student Beans, or Totem Card, NUS Totem Card, or Uni Days, applications like Uni Days. So get yourself registered to all these platforms, as well as get physical cards if they provide. And wherever you shop, you are going to get exclusive cashbacks and discounts for all the expenditure. So as a student here in the UK, make sure you make the most out of it. One more tip at the end here is, even the restaurants that you go will offer you student discounts. Yes, every place here in the UK have those restaurants, have one or many restaurants offering student discounts. So make sure you look for the restaurants that offer student discount and go there, and with your student card you can even claim discount on that. And in most of the cases, they don't even ask for student card, because I have been eating at a restaurant and taking discount for 2 years now, and they don't even ask for my student card, because of course they know that I am a regular one there and I used to go regularly. So they don't even ask me now for whether do I have a physical card or not. But it is highly advisable for you to carry your physical card, and definitely enjoy those extra exclusive offers, and make sure you make the most out of your student life here in the UK. If you find this information useful, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.